Alrighty, so I created a pizza pie clicker game. I used a couple tools to do that, and I'll tell you about them in a few seconds. But this is a Python program. It involves using Claude AI, Python 3, Meta.ai, RabbitR1, Suno, and let me get started here. So I have set this up so that I could play one of two different options. So I'm going to do the timed option since this is a clicker game. And then once this pops up, here we go. We should have this on the screen. So you should see my pizza. You should see the number of clicks at 0. You should see the time left at 60 seconds. And you should see the beginning of the number pi. So the way this game works is every time I click, another digit for pi populates right here. And then because I'm doing it on a timer, it will run for 60 seconds. And let's go. So I'm going to be putting pepperoni on my pizza with every click. All right, so one of the other things that I started to mention is that I used a variety of tools to do this. I used Claude AI to help me with the Python programming. I used Meta.ai to create this pizza that you're looking at. I used the RabbitR1 device to help me with the code as well with Claude and to answer questions as I was doing it to help me think through this. I also used RabbitR1 to help me with creating music, and that music will be added to this video as soon as I'm done. But RabbitR1 will help you use Suno to create music, and it is an awesome tool. You should try it out, even if you don't have the RabbitR1 device. And so right now we're at 200 and some clicks. I got 14 seconds left. I think my record was 290 so far. I'm not sure I can beat that today, but let's see. Look at all those clicks and look at all those pi digits. Reminder, every click is a digit from pi. And so now I have 303 clicks. I have my game up. When I click to exit, the game will be done. And so again, real quick, I used Python 3 to be specific. I used Claude AI to help me create the clicker game. I used Meta.ai to help with some of the visuals. I used the RabbitR1 to help me with questions that I had about the code before, during, and after I wrote it. And it also helped me with the music. Suno.ai created the lyrics and the soundtrack. So thank you. See you later. Bye.